Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my midlife crisis and this man's middle life nightmare.
Nightmares.
This is my 2024 Lotus Emira.
Don't look at me. I did it.
First edition.
It's nice.
And Seneca Blue. I say that whole entire thing because...
Tell them what needs to be said about the car.
It's a Lotus Emira, but...
Tell them the other thing.
What?
Type of motor does it have in it, Craig?
3.5 liter V6 Toyota.
There you go. That's what
But they already know that.
They know that.
They're other Lotus...
But just for the people that are tuning in.
They're other Lotus Emira owners.
Okay.
I'm back with this guy because I can't do something myself.
You can do it.
No, I can't.
Just not brave enough, sir.
No, I can't do it.
Craig's not brave enough to break things.
So
that's how we learn.
You know what my biggest problem with this car is?
It's blue.
I like blue.
Oh well.
It reminds me of my nightly, you know, before I go to bed. What happens in here? Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So when you buy the Lotus Emira, you cannot spec any carbon fiber.
Oh yeah.
And every car that I've had, we put a lot of carbon fiber on it. And so the very first thing that I want to swap out is these mirror caps.
Okay.
And I don't want to put a cover on it with 3M double-sided tape. I want to take this apart, not break it, and put carbon fiber on that.
Okay, well go ahead and do it, man. I gotta get to lunch.
Okay.
You ready?
So
I'll stick around.
You'll stick
I'll
around?
help you, dude.
So
I got you.
I'm gonna take it apart, but once I get it apart, I'm gonna show you guys why it doesn't matter where you buy your aftermarket carbon fiber. It's gonna take a professional. Hey Mark, you wanna come over here? I need a professional.
Come on, over here.
So we've come to Edward to we're
do
probably
stuff.
gonna have to modify this carbon fiber in order for it to fit properly.
Every piece of carbon fiber on the face of this planet will need to be modified in some way. And fiberglass. Don't even get me started on fiberglass.
So find a friend.
Find a friend?
If not, pay somebody, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, I'm the friend.
Oh,
I guess.
Are you sure?
I don't know. You're not letting me go to lunch. So.
Well, you asked me to buy lunch.
Huh?
You asked me to buy lunch.
No, Bodie's buying lunch.
Oh, we got another guy buying lunch.
Yeah, he just hit us up. He didn't know he's buying lunch for all of us.
Well, I know it sounds pretty simple, but let me show you how to take apart the Lotus Emira cap so that you don't break anything like I almost did the first time I did the opposite side.
You did good.
All right.
I think you did.
Let me show them what we're going to put on. It's a mirror cap.
Mirror cap.
It's a gloss carbon fiber. Where did I get that?
You got this from the Beijing market?
No, I actually ordered that from Greg Grace Parts. Gray's got a lot of great aftermarket products for Lotus, whether it's Lease, Ebor, or Emira. And I wanted full mirror caps. I did not want just a snap-on. So as y'all can see on the backside, that is full carbon. It's got the clips. Block that right there. But
closing my eyes.
We got to figure out how to get that onto there. I'm going to start by taking that off, and then I'm going to hand it to Edward to...
I'm going to start by not worrying about it and doing it.
All right.
Come on, let's go.
All right, here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I will scratch stuff and break stuff is just put them tape on the edges here just so I don't...
Let's watch Craig.
When I trade this in, it's not scratched up.
Makes sense.
Thank you, Edward. Something I did make sense. Actually, I learned this from you.
I learned it from watching you, Dad. Do you remember those old public service announcement, PSA drug?
I learned it by watching you.
Parents who use drugs have children who use drugs.
Remember, kid?
DARE.
Yeah, DARE. Was it DARE?
Drug Abuse Resistant Education. I'm a graduate in 6th grade.
All right.
I abused and I did not. Wait, yeah, okay.
You didn't abuse any drugs, Craig. You're not even a drug. You're not even one of the cool kids.
I'm definitely not one of the cool kids.
You're not one of the
I'm trying to do one, but it isn't working out too well.
Melted their septum.
What?
I don't know. That's what happens, right? You get deviated septums.
I don't know about a septum.
That's what I heard.
You're weird.
I don't know. Saw it in a movie once.
You did?
Yeah. Along Came Polly. Remember? She's like, I told you I had
Oh, I thought it was something about Mary.
No. It's like, yeah, deviated septum. I knew a kid that had a deviated septum.
So all you're going to do is this just...
Okay, Craig's back to business. All right.
Is I'm just taking you call this a pickle fork, right?
It could be a pickle fork.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming back here and gently...
Oh, no, keep going.
Should I go the other side, you think?
Huh? No. Keep doing what you're doing.
Really?
Keep doing what you're doing.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
All right. If I did it wrong, you fix me.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm just making these noises so Craig will feel really weird about what he's doing.
Come on, Craig. Come on, Craig.
One there.
Come on, get in there. Get in there. Show him how it's done. Oh, look. He's in there.
I actually get a little bit of pressure because I feel like I'm being watched by the master.
Just let me know when you need me to do it.
I'm gonna let Edward do it because he won't stop like telling me what to do, and he's cringing.
I'm not cringy.
You're cringing.
I'm not cringy.
I'm gonna break it.
I'm smiling.
Whatever. Now I have to stand. Wait. No, I get the chair to film you. Your hair's in the way. You got to do it without the hair in the way.
Okay.
No, just kidding.
Ready?
Go for it.
Good, done.
All right. You gonna do it without the pickle fork?
Uh-huh.
Well, then your fingers aren't gonna scratch it. I gotta waste that whole entire portion of the video. Wait. All right. Good job.
Like a pirate.
There's a pirate.
Yeah.
So I was being careful, and you were just being yourself.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right. So what we got behind there? We got
Gorilla hands.
we've got two little heater prongs
Mm-hmm.
for the heated mirror.
Yeah, you're gonna want to push down on that as you pull out. You see what we've got going on here? They are tight, kids. So you're gonna want to push it against the board because you can yank
want
that right
the,
off the board. What?
Flat tip there. Just pry it off like I did.
You have a flat?
Yeah, I do. Now you're using the flat tip to pry them off.
It's really on there, dude.
You want me to do it now? You want to switch back?
Huh? No.
Only the British put it on that tight.
They did. They did. Look at that. It feels like they want to delaminate.
Nope, not. Don't break it.
Well, nobody wants to break it, Craig.
Are you sure you don't?
Huh? Well, if you weren't holding that camera, you could hold this mirror and I could get a little bit more pressure on it. Oh, there we go. You said hold on a second.
There we go.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
You got it.
You got one.
Got two.
Hey.
I did it.
He did it.
Not Edward. All right.
Dude.
So I had to have some pride in something
Okay.
that I did.
Okay.
I took off a freaking mirror.
Okay.
It's pretty sad, but.
You did great.
You've got, these are all little baby Torx. So you got one Torx in the middle. You're going to take this whole entire assembly out. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx that are basically holding this together. And you take all of that out and it'll all come apart.
Don't tell me how to live my life, Craig.
Living life.
Okay.
Quarter mile.
I live my life a quarter mile at a time.
Edward, why do we not use power tools?
Why do we not use power tools?
Why do we not use power tools?
Because
Tell me
you
something.
tend to over tighten the hell out of stuff with them.
That's true.
We work on a lot of little carbon plastic pieces, and I'm like, no, man, no. You're just gonna have to get the feel.
Get the feel?
Yeah. Or maybe it's like I'm teaching you like a wax on, wax off.
Type thing?
And
Whack
then once
on.
once you do get the power tool in your hand, you're gonna be unstoppable.
I just leave this hanging here so that it's just dangling. I don't even disconnect it.
That's right.
Leave it dangling.
You want to put them in my hand?
No.
Come on.
It's on the floor. Kick them out of the car, you know.
Okay. So Craig is not practicing
Good automotive.
automotive hygiene, cleanliness, screw saving etiquette.
That's why cars end up, for most mechanics, with the wrong bolts.
That's right. We don't like that, do we, Craig?
Oh, most of my cars have the wrong bolts in them.
No. Don't say that.
What? Oh.
You're affecting your resale, Craig.
Yes. Don't get me started on resale.
We don't like doing that. And one of the reasons that we really don't like doing that is
Why is that?
because you will strip out and open up plastic, carbon, all kinds of stuff. Too much, more than you would have wanted to.
What do you want me to do with this?
Put
a shot.
Put your
Okay, go for it.
no.
Wait.
Put your screws
Oh,
in
put
there.
my screws in there.
Craig,
I
put
thought
your
you were-
screws in there.
I thought you were
Little
telling me to
cup, man.
take a
Huh?
sample or something to a doctor. You know?
Yeah.
I'm worried about your health.
We want to make sure we're gonna send out samples of Craig
samples of
to
Craig.
any woman that is lonely.
Oh, look at your compressor came on again.
It's not a deal breaker, dude.
It's not?
No,
Are you sure?
you're not even saying anything worthwhile.
Oh,
Yeah,
bud.
Craig's back at it with his
My
screws.
sample. I'll let you take it apart. Here.
Let you know.
I don't want you to have to battle the tape. But now it's just clips.
Let's
These require your gentle hands.
Why? Oh man, I don't even know what's supposed to happen, Craig.
Let's break it apart.
Break it apart.
You want the fickle port?
Oh, I mean, I don't even know where to fly, Craig.
So this top part slides back.
Yeah? Oh, we're doing that.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Oh, okay.
Here you go.
Man, you can't even see a release on there or anything.
No, that's why I'm saying it's like,
It's like what?
well, you know.
No, I don't.
You know what I'm saying, right? You've heard that before?
You know what? You know what I'm saying? Come on, son.
Don't make me ask you.
Ask you?
You want me to do it again?
No, I'm gonna do it.
I really want to show everybody on the internet that you did something right. You don't.
This is becoming a competition thing. I don't like that. I'm not even a competitive person.
You're not. You're very kind, gentle.
Lover.
We know where our clips are. Now we know where our clips
Now
are.
you know where the clips
So
are.
we know that there's a clip here. We hope there's a clip here. Do we have the original of the mirror? All right, let's get that one. Let's find out where
Oh,
those
no,
clips
wait.
are.
No, we don't. It's back at the house.
Ah, dirty dog. Well, we assume now that the clips are here. So we should have one right about here, and we should have one right about here, and then we should have one pointed inwards. So, Craig, if you hold on to that, then we should be able to get this guy
Press down.
under here. No, press down on this part, right?
All right. So what was the trick to getting it started? The finger from the inside.
Come here. Come on back this way.
Okay.
First thing you do, get your finger up inside of here.
Okay.
There's going to be a little button back here. Okay? Right?
It's an actual button.
It's like a little deal. You can pull it down. You can see it actually imprinted on my finger. Okay? And then we're going to pull that down. And then as we pull that down, we're going to push the top. And then it's released. I don't know if you heard that little click. It's released. It is out of there. Now, once we've got that passed, then we should be able to get the other one, which we cannot get our finger in there at all, 100%. So we're just going to have to be forceful with it.
Pop it out. Leave her hanging. I didn't even take that out. I just left it hanging.
Oh, you just left it
Just
hanging?
left it hanging.
All right, good
Look at
job.
that.
Look at that.
All right.
There it is.
Now you ready to show them the problem as to why the carbon one will not fit?
After I get all this crazy Craig tape off. Yeah.
Too fat.
Too fat?
We're gonna go. Everybody see that? That's too fat. So what we're gonna do
Right
is
there?
we're
Is
gonna,
that too fat?
we're gonna clean that up.
Is that too fat?
What?
That.
Yes, this is all way too. Everybody knows
okay.
that.
I'm sorry.
Everybody know that. We use this. This is our plan.
What is, that's like, you said that was 36 grit? Cheese grater?
Yeah, it's a little aggressive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you
Craig should not have put his hand on that when I had my finger on the trigger.
We would have had a lot of blood.
No, not really.
No? All right.
More like a skin knee.
Yep, go grab the back.
You go grab the back.
You go grab, you're rolling.
This is weird. I want to be grabbing the back. But
Go grab the back. He's in. Hold on. Oh, sorry. They go back in here, right here, for here.
Huh? Put it through the window.
To the window.
Wow.
There you go. See?
Yeah. That was my wedding song.
That's pretty sad.
In the window. To the wall. All right. Now Craig's knees. We'll listen to those crack.
That's what it takes.
That's what it takes.
To put aftermarket carbon fiber mirror caps on the Lotus Emira. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just you gotta be ready to.
Great stuff.
No, it's gotta
No?
be ready to.
Oh yeah, you gotta be ready.
It's not gonna be 100%.
You gotta be willing to pull plastic away from plastic and expect results.
And if we hear a crack, not be scared.
Not be scared. It's gonna make cracky sound.
It is, but it looks good.
It
That looks better than just the piano black. So extremely happy. Got to get these PPF now, so I'll be calling Brian down at the vault. But
I think we should have done it with fish scale.
what is fish?
Fish scale. I'll show you that.
Snake skin.
Snake skin. Gator.
The next modification on the Lotus Emira. You ready to actually start cutting this car out?
Yeah, dude. That's another thing. We're gonna cut it up.
We're gonna cut it out.
Did we do my secret?
Oh, not in this video. We'll keep them guessing.
All right.
Until next time, guys. We'll see you later.